Hi, welcome to another edition of Antique Radio Archaeology. Today we're going to look at how to remove this brown stain from the surface of this hard rubber faceplate. Now, this brown color is not the original color of this faceplate. The original color is black. And what causes this stain is actually a chemical process that was used to make the panel, is exposed to UV light and moisture over the years, causes the sulfur that was used in the vulcanization process to leach to the surface. Now, this is not a stain that is riding on the surface. This is the surface. So the only way to really remove it is to remove the top layer of the surface without causing too much damage, because you do have some engraving and stuff going on this panel. So what we're going to do is go through the process of how to clean this up and make it look new again. So here's the final result, and I'm real happy with it. There is a little bit of brown showing through. I didn't get it all sanded down as far as I'd like to have, but I also got about 4 hours into this, so I didn't really want to keep going and run the risk of sanding it too far down that I get rid of my graphics. So it was a nice little compromise, and I think it still looks great. Now, the thing that I think people are going to jump on is the fact that I used water to wet sand it. There's no other good way of doing that, and the amount of time that I'm exposing hard rubber to water is very minimal in comparison, and I did give it plenty of time to dry before I applied the polish on it. It's important to know that you don't want to use water as much as possible on hard rubber, but in this case it was warranted because there was no other real good way of getting rid of all that brown surface without sanding and without wet sanding to get the nice polished look at the end. So that was my compromise. I think I'm real happy with the result here, and I'm looking forward to getting this installed on the radio. So that wraps up another edition of Antique Radio Archaeology. Happy restorations, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's video.